Saying goodbye to summer is such bittersweet sorrow, but here we are welcoming in fall. So I thought I'd do a video to inspire you on how to change your decor without adding pumpkins. And it's not that I hate pumpkins, but I just don't do them in my decor because that's so seasonal and I'd just rather not. But by all means, if you love pumpkins in your decor, do not let this video deter you. My name is Jamela. Thank you again for tuning in for another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous. I hope you've joined the Thrift Squad. If not, go ahead and click that subscribe button and welcome to the family. So let's jump into the video. I'll always say pillows make a big difference. So you see here, I went into my pillow stash and I found another arrangement to put on the living room sofa. Just call me the mixologist because I like mixing different patterns and textures and styles. So anyway, this is what I came up with for the look for fall. So just adding browns and tans and golds, it just warms it up without creating that where it's so dark and gloomy feel, but yet feels warm and cozy. I know plenty of people say fall is their favorite, but it is nice because the temperatures have cooled off a bit. But to me, fall just tells me that winter is coming next, and I don't like winter because it's so cold. But anyway, this is what I came up with again for my living room for fall. And in the big brown bowl, I switched out the album cover to showcase the fabulous artwork of Ernie Barnes on his Donald Byrd album that was released in 1979, titled Donald Byrd and 125th Street. And just to remind you, Ernie Barnes' art was featured in the TV series Good Times. So I was very happy to have that vinyl as well. Now in the dining room, all I did was take out the orange tulips finally, and I put in these dried hydrangeas. Now I've had these hydrangeas for at least 15 years. Believe it or not. I've had them in a vase on my back porch area where I do my laundry. And I said, wait a minute, I need to just bring these in and put them on the dining room table. And they look good in the vase with the little leopard tan cloth that I have underneath the black vase. Again, something simple, but yet it says fall. Last year I was able to get these red leaves, the branch from my neighbor's yard, but I'm still waiting for that to turn. So I just have my magnolia leaves back on the bar cart. And in the foyer, I just switched out one pillow. I took out the gold because it was kind of colorful, and then I just toned it down. I was thinking about using my leopard pillow, but I didn't want to take it from the guest bedroom, but I just used my mud cloth instead. And all it did was just warm down the look. Simple changes that won't break the bank. And that's what I'm here to do, inspire you to create your own beautiful home. Remember, beauty is being home and loving it. Thank you again for tuning in for another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous. I hope you like this video. If so, drop me a comment, like, and share, and please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again.